In this video, I will show you how to use the authentication application to log into the platform. In my previous video, I show you how to use SMS authentication, and if this did not work for you, depending of your country, you might then need to use authentication application to log in to the platform. And this screen that I'm having here is my last screen from my previous video. This means that you might have the same screen as me. And to set up your authentication application, you might just click on back button here, and it will bring you back on login page. And then now you click on continue, enable MFA, and now instead of choosing text box here, you will choose authenticator app here. Now the screen here, the platform will display a QR code for you that you might need to scan. Please note that you should not scan, or you should not use your default phone scanner to scan this code. If you use it, you won't get anything. You might have a authenticator application that will enable you to read this QR code and get the code. And for that here, I'm using Microsoft Authenticator application. So here I prefer that because it's available on both on iOS and also on Android. So if you are on iOS, you can click here and scan the code to download it from your App Store. And if you are on Android, you can use your phone, your default here, you can use your default scanner on your phone to scan it. So it will bring you automatically to the store to download the application. How did I get to this page? You can just type on your browser, download Microsoft Authenticator. It will bring you on this page, same as me, and scan this code to download your application. So here on my side, I download this application, and now I will open the application. Application is free of charge. I will just open the application. And now on the right corner down, you will see a floating button, QR code floating button there. You might just click on this button and your camera will be open. You might just scan this QR code with the application and you will see that new line will appear, will be displayed there. The new line in your application, call it COLEAD with your email address just after COLEAD. You click on it, you select it, and you will see that every 30 seconds, one-time password code is generated. You might put here in that box this code that is generated before expiration. So here I have displaying on my phone here 467367, and now I will click on confirm and wait, and now you can see that having actually access to my dashboard, COLEAD'S platform. So this option is recommended because it works regardless of the country you are in, as long as you have an internet connection. So if you only have internet connection, you only need to connect to internet and check your current one-time password code and put it on the platform, and you will be logged in. So this one is don't depend of your country, and the application generate a code that you will need to enter whenever you log in again. For example, if you log out, if I click on log out button here, I click on my icon and I click on log out here, and I want to log in, I need to use this application to log in again. Or if I change my browser, I want to log on another browser or a different computer, I might use the application to log in again. However, if you simply close your browser and reopen it, you will usually be logged automatically and will not need to re-enter the code again. So this is how you can use Authenticator app to log into the SAS platform.